Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Firebase Admin SDK with service account keys step by step clearly. To authorize the Firebase Admin SDK with service account keys, first, navigate to the Firebase console. Sign in with your Google account if needed. Select your project from the list. On the left sidebar, click on the gear icon for project settings. In the settings page, select the service accounts tab. Click on the button that says Generate New Private Key. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm the download. Click Generate Key to download the service account key file in JSON format. Make sure to store this file securely, as it contains sensitive information. Next, open your project in your preferred code editor. Install the Firebase Admin SDK by running the command npm install Firebase Admin. Once the installation is complete, create a new JavaScript file for your server code. In this file, require the Firebase Admin SDK using const admin equals require Firebase Admin. Next, import the service account key JSON file you downloaded earlier. You can do this by adding the line const service account equals require path / to / your / service account key.json. Replace path / to / your / service account key.json with the actual file path. Now, initialize the Firebase Admin SDK with your service account. Use the following command, admin initialize app, credential, admin credential.cert, service account. This will set up your app to communicate securely with Firebase services. You can now use various Firebase features, such as Firestore, authentication, or cloud messaging. Ensure that your application has the appropriate access rights to perform the necessary operations. Finally, test your setup by running your application to confirm everything works correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.